Unlike most dogs, dingoes hunt in small packs or solo, showcasing their independent and unique hunting style. Dingoes play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem by controlling populations of rabbits, kangaroos and rats. Dingoes have a wide range of vocalizations, and unlike dogs, their howls can last up to several minutes. Despite threats, dingoes continue to survive, showcasing their resilience and leaving a lasting legacy in the wild. Dingo, a fascinating creature that continues to intrigue with its unique characteristics and vital role in the ecosystem.